Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account in Jamaica for 2025. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid internationally or just managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to ensure your PayPal account is fully set up. That means you should have a verified PayPal account linked to your Jamaican bank. If you haven't done that yet, head over to the PayPal website or app and add your bank details. In 2025, PayPal has made this even smoother with enhanced security features like biometric verification, so keep an eye out for that. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. It's usually on the main dashboard. Here, you'll see your available balance and options for transfers. Step 2. Look for the Transfer Funds or Withdraw Money button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select your bank account. If you have multiple accounts linked, choose the one in Jamaica. Remember, for 2025, PayPal might show real-time exchange rates if you're dealing with USD to JMD, so double-check those to avoid any surprises. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Be mindful of any fees. PayPal typically charges a small fee for withdrawals, and your bank might add one too. Once you've confirmed the amount, review the details like the recipient bank and your account number. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, such as a one-time PIN sent to your phone. After that, the transfer process kicks off. In Jamaica, it usually takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your account, depending on your bank and any holidays. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation from PayPal. A quick tip: always check for the latest regulations from the Bank of Jamaica, as international transfers might have specific rules in 2025. And there you have it. That's how you get your money moving smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay savvy, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.